What's up, guys? This is the King, and welcome to the King's Tech Kingdom. Today, we're going to be going over Clore blockchain, AI-based GPU mineable cryptocurrency. We're just going to run through the website, go through the price, and set you up a miner as fast as possible, not waste most of your time. Please like and subscribe. Go check out my shorts. Let's help this channel get as big as Red Panda or Son of a Tech. Let's get it. Hi, I'm Clore Blockchain, and native currency of clore.ai marketplace. If you don't know, Clore has a marketplace, essentially something like how FLUX plans on rolling out in the future, but they're ahead of them. So if you have real high hopes for FLUX, you might also have real high hopes for Clore. Let's keep on going. The purpose of Clore blockchain is here to reward computing power providers on clore.ai marketplace. Providers will be earning Clore blockchain when they successfully rent their machine on clore.ai, along with the bitcoins paid from the customers for the computing power. Their market offers computational power from distributed network of computational power providers, aka the GPU miners with their rigs set up online. You know, pretty cool thing. Uh, if you guys don't know, uh, AI-based cryptocurrencies are really, really hot right now, as you can see, even on a really down day like today. On the 1 hour chart, even most of the 24-hour charts, a lot of these coins are up. So this could be really, really good for the next Bitcoin halvening. Okay, so download your wallet. You can either use Linux-based wallets, the Ubuntu or GitLab, or me, I'm going to be using the Windows wallet. You hit download, it'll go through, download everything. Once you get your wallet downloaded, you're going to extract it, open it up. It's going to have to sync to the network relatively fast. Mine only probably took about 5-10 minutes. You guys are going to come over here. You're going to go to file, hit receiving addresses, and I have mine set up for mining. If you don't have one, you're going to hit new, label it, and then you'll get your address. You'll copy your address right over there. I am currently going to be using T-Rex miner for this setup. So we'll come over here, download the latest version of T-Rex Miner, T-Rex 0.268. T-Rex Miner hasn't actually updated in a little bit of a while, but it'll still work. So what you're going to do now, I went through, renamed one of these files to Clore, because that's the one I'll be using for Clore. Come over here, hit edit, and then, T-Rex.exe, kapow. I have the stratum right here, which you can easily find on clore.ai's mining pool, or if you guys go to our plant pool, they will have a quick setup guide for you guys to use. Just copy and paste that, add your wallet address, worker name, you're all good to go. Get that set up. As you guys can see right here, we are up in mining. My hash rates are down a little bit because I am recording this video, but it's whatever. We're getting about 30 mega hash per card at around 150 watts per se, give or take, average between each card. And yeah, relatively simple. Just wanted to do a quick video touching up on core.ai. If we come over here to my R plant, you can see I've been mining it for a few days now. I've already gathered over 168 coins, so it is relatively easy to stack a bag of this coin still before, you're only getting like 5 or 6 a day. Say you want to connect your miner, you come over here and do your password, your minimal payout, and then the miner config. I'm using T-Rex, so I just went with the BZ miner one. Instead of bzminer.exe, you're going to use trex.exe. Essentially, all the same thing. We're doing a Windows machine, Windows in America, into your wallet address, worker name. You'll get this. You just need to copy it from here to here, do dot worker name. You're all good to go. Once you're up in mining Clore, it's off to the races. I will show you guys my hash rate. Not hash rate, but my overclocks. I'm currently running 2 RTX 3060 Ti's and about plus 150 on the core clock, plus 1000 on the memory clock, and a power limit of 75 for a Zotac and a power limit of 70 for a founder's edition. So not much to this project, Clore blockchain. They do have some stuff they plan on releasing towards the end of the year. I will have links to their page in the description of the video. I mean, there's really not much to them. It's still a relatively new project. We can go and check out their price. They're currently sitting at 0.13 of a cent, and with an all-time high of 0.47 cents. And so, easily reach that all-time high again, which would definitely make this coin extremely profitable to mine. As you can see, over the last 30 days, we're up compared to USD 278%, meaning had you started mining this coin back at the beginning of the month, you would have literally doubled your money, which awesome to think about. You know, people keep saying GPU mining is dead, but with all these new cryptocurrencies and whatnot popping up, it doesn't seem that way. We can come over here and check out hashrate.no really quick. And for quite a few cryptocurrencies, clore.ai is actually the most profitable coin you can mine across the board. It was Caspa, but Caspa is dealing with some really bad price action right now. Probably a lot to do with all the new ASICs and FPGAs coming online. And so, yeah, if you guys are looking into getting into clore.ai, like I said, go to their website, download the wallet, set up your miner, come over here to hashrate.no for your overclocks and whatnot. And yeah, you guys have a nice day. Thank you for watching the King's Tech Kingdom. And, like, subscribe, share this video with all your friends, help this channel get big, and check out their shorts. You have a nice day. Peace out.